Hi everybody, Seth David here from the world famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated. I'm partnering with QuickBooks to bring you a spectrum of videos covering topics that will show you how to run your business more efficiently, more effectively, and with greater accuracy. Today we're going to talk about inventory management and how you can better manage your inventory with the right tools. Before we continue, don't forget to bang that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. If you're in e-commerce, then you're probably pretty familiar with how tedious and time-consuming tracking inventory can be. Today we're diving into how cloud-based inventory management can make your life as an e-commerce business much easier. We'll show you how the right inventory management system can help you grow effectively and efficiently while tracking things more accurately. And if you like to read, check the link in the description for the article below. First things first, what is cloud-based inventory management? Inventory management is time-consuming, frustrating, and essential. A good cloud-based inventory management seamlessly tracks inventory both coming in and going out of your business. Real-time updates help you avoid many of the issues that come up with traditional methods of measuring inventory, such as manual mistakes or inaccurate forecasting. Let's go over the benefits of switching to cloud-based inventory management. The main benefit of cloud-based inventory management systems is instant stock level updates. Cloud-based inventory management systems continuously update stock levels in real time, so you always know exactly how much stock you have on hand. This helps you to determine, first, when it's time to reorder inventory. Knowing your inventory levels at any given time helps you to stay on top of stock replenishment. Having a good grasp of your inventory levels helps to make sure that you don't oversell stock across your channels. Second, the best stock level to accommodate lead time when reordering. This helps to keep customers happy and ensure you don't run out of stock. And lastly, which inventory is moving and which isn't. This helps you eliminate products that are weighing your business down. Having a high-level view of your inventory levels can help you avoid stockouts, overstocking, and dead stock. Another key benefit of cloud-based inventory management is error reduction. Since information is updated instantly, there's no risk of duplication, missed sales orders, or incorrect information. This means less time spent on problem solving, and that means increased profitability. With cloud-based inventory management, you can also benefit from improved efficiency. The right system can help you automate almost all aspects of the inventory and order management process. You can log into the system with your phone or tablet and generate stock reports, complete audits, perform stock takes, and access stock movement history. A few of the tasks automation can take over include inventory tracking, tracking order fulfillment, updating stock levels, alerting you when you've reached the reorder point, and submitting purchase orders for you. With cloud-based inventory management, you can be assured that your business data is safe and secure. The service provider takes full responsibility and constantly updates the software to avoid cyber attacks. In addition, all the data is consistently updated in real time and securely stored in the cloud, so you don't have to go in and back up the data on your own. Last but not least, the best cloud-based management systems feature built-in reporting and analytics. Forecasting is one of the trickier aspects of running an e-commerce business. The software can analyze your sales and inventory data and create automated reports so you can make informed business decisions such as which products are selling and making a profit and which products need to go. If you're thinking of making the switch, QuickBooks Commerce might be the solution for you. This cloud-based inventory management software is designed specifically for multi-channel e-commerce businesses and will help you streamline workflows and make informed decisions. With QuickBooks Commerce, you can enjoy all the benefits mentioned earlier and manage all the sales channels, including Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and other top e-commerce sites, all in one platform. Get started today to see how cloud-based inventory management can help your business grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to bang that like button and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. We have more great content just like this, so make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss something really good.